studies. Now it is the time for our social studies class. So we are in the chapter India on the map, chapter number 14. We already learned all the chapter. We completed the chapter. So today we will discuss on the objective type questions on this chapter, and today I'll give you the project work on this chapter. Okay. So firstly, I'm going to tell you the main points of the chapter. Main points of this chapter are: map is a flat diagrammatic representation of the earth. So map is a flat diagrammatic representation of the earth. Globe is the miniature model of our planet Earth. Globe is the miniature model of our planet Earth. There are mainly two types of maps: physical and political. Apart from these two types of maps, there are many more. These are climatic map, economic map, road map, etc. To read a map, we have to know some features. Those are cardinal directions to know the exact direction, scale to calculate the distance, meaning of colors which depicts land, water, vegetation, settlement, etc. And objects on a map are shown by symbols and signs. Map legend or index key includes all such symbols. So these all are the main points on this chapter. Now I am going to tell you the objective type question answers on this chapter. Chapter 14, India on the map. Objective type questions and answers. A. Name the following. 1. Flat diagrammatic representation of the earth. The answer is map. Miniature model of our planet Earth. Globe. Maps which show the physical features of an area. Answer: physical map. Question number 4. Map which shows continents, countries, cities, states, etc. Answer: political map. Question 5. The capital city of India. Answer: New Delhi. 6. This map shows us the climate, rainfall, humidity, air pressure in India. Answer: climatic map of India. 7. This map shows the type of natural resources or economic activities. Answer: economic map. 8. Map which shows highways, roads, airports, railroad tracks, cities, etc. Answer: road map. 9. Two main types of maps: physical and political map. 10. The right hand side of the map is called this. Answer: cardinal east. 11. The ratio between the distance on the map and actual distance on the ground is called this. Answer: scale. 12. Water bodies on map are shown in this color. Answer: blue. 13. The mountain and plateaus on map are shown in this color, dark or light brown. 14. Another name for index key. Answer: map legends. 15. Two neighboring country of India. Answer: Pakistan and Bangladesh. Now I am telling you the the blanks. 1. Dash and dash help us to read a map. Symbols and signs is the answer. 2. The map has dash sides. Answer, 4 sides. 3. The top of the map is called the dash. The bottom of the map is the dash. First one is cardinal north and the next cardinal south. 4. The dash on the map shows the land, water, vegetation, physical features, etc. Colors on the map. Next, India has dash states and dash union territories. 29 states and 7 union territories. 6. A map is like dash of the earth. Flat diagram of the earth. 7. We use a road map to find dash when we travel. When we travel. We use a road map to find directions when we travel. 8. The dash mountain range create the northern border of India. The Himalayan mountain range is the answer. 9. Dash and dash are the 2 important rivers of India. Ganges and Brahmaputra is the answer. Dash is the northernmost state of India. Answer, Jammu and Kashmir. 11. The first maps were made in dash by the dash on a clay tablet. For the first blank, the answer is 2300 BC, 2300 BC. And for the second blank, the answer is Babylonians. 12. Dash and dash are union territories in India. Puducherry and Lakshadweep is the answer. So the answer is Puducherry and Lakshadweep. There are many more union territories. You can write their name also. State whether the following statements are true or false. Number 1. Sri Lanka is the neighboring country of India located at southern part of India. This is your homework. Mind it. This is your homework. The C. Number C. True, false is your homework. You please write it in your own. In our next class, I'll give you the answer. Then you check it with my answer. Okay. So I'm telling it. Number 1. Sri Lanka is the neighboring country of India located at southern part of India. You have to write here true or false. 2. Rivers and streams always shown on map in green color. Is it true or false? You have to write. 3. Pakistan lies northeastern side of India. Is it true or false? You have to write. Physical map shows the capital city and other cities of a country. You have to write true or false here. Symbols and signs help us to read a map. True or false, you have to write. A compass rose includes symbols and signs shown on the map. Is it true or false? You have to write. So, these are the objective type questions answers. Okay. And now, I am going to tell you the project work on this chapter. Now, you should draw a colorful map on your project copy according to the map given on this page. Page number, 90. Page number 90. You have to draw this colorful map on your project copy, and then you label all states. 29 states. You have to label all 29 states. You have to write inside this part just like this. You have to write the name of the states, and you have the boundaries such as, and boundaries and neighboring countries such as here Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, Tibet, Nepal, Bangladesh, and you have to write the water bodies, water here Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, etc. and you have to write here Andaman Nicobar, the Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep, etc. Okay, you do it in your project copy. This is your project on this chapter. So do it neatly and clearly and color it well. And that's all for our today's class, and bye till our next class.